I want you to imagine that I am packing a few things into a bag, and my little imaginary daughter, Winnie, is watching me.
What are you doing, Daddy?
Doing, dear? I'm packing up.
Ooh, Daddy, you're not going to die. Ooh, Daddy, I don't want you to die.
Why, what's the matter, child? Who said I was going to die?
You said you were packing up.
Oh, packing up. You kiddies get to hear too much. I'm not packing up in the sense you mean, dear. I'm just packing away a few things in the bag because I have to go on a long journey.
How long will you be away, Daddy?
Oh, just a day and a night.
And then you're coming back?
Yes, dear, I'm coming back. Don't you want me to come back?
No.
No?
No, I don't want you to go.
But I must go, dear. It's on important business, which means bread and butter for my little Winnie.
No cake.
Oh, yes, cakes as well. Lots of cakes.
If you didn't go, Daddy, there wouldn't be any bread and butter for Winnie, would there?
Well, I wouldn't like to say that, dear, but there'll be little or no cakes.
Daddy, I don't mind not having any cakes, Daddy. Daddy, what's inside the bag?
Winnie shouldn't be so inquisitive. There's nothing there to interest you. Just a change of linen and a sleeping suit.
Sleeping suit? What do you want your sleeping suit for, Daddy?
Well, dear, I shall be sleeping in a strange bed tonight.
In a strange bed.
Yes, dear, strange bed.
Will it have any legs?
Of course it will.
Oh, it won't be very strange, you know. Will it have pillows and a mattress and clothes on it?
I hope so.
Well, it won't be very strange. It'd be a strange bed, Daddy, if it had wheels on it, and mushrooms going all over it, and wings on it. And when you got into it, he'd run all round the room, and when he was tired of running all round the room, it flew through the window and went right up into the sky until it reached the moon. That would be a very strange bed, wouldn't it, Daddy?
I dare say it would, but that's not the sort of bed I should care to sleep in.
But I would.
As a matter of fact, dear, I shall be sleeping in a four-poster bed. Now I suppose I shall have to tell you what a four-poster is.
Oh, I know what a post is, Daddy. It's what you stick on the wall.
No, dear, four-poster bed. It has 4 posts, one at each corner of the bed.
And who collects the posts, Daddy? The postman?
Oh, great Scott. You know what a post is, don't you? They're wooden posts, dear.
Wooden posts?
Yes, they're wooden posts. Now ask me what they're made of.
What are they made of, Daddy?
Why, wood, of course. What did you think they were made of?
Wood.
Hello? 5 o'clock. I must be off. Goodbye, Winnie, darling.
Goodbye, Daddy. Can I see you open the door?
No, dear, you can wave to me from the window. Goodbye, Winnie, dear. Goodbye, Winnie. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Daddy. Goodbye.